Yes, students, this is illustration number 9. Yesterday we read that illustration. Again, I will be repeating it, and the sequence, whatever he is following, and he is asking from us to pass the journal entries first. So we will be passing the journal entries, and afterwards we will be preparing the ledger accounts, right? Let's begin with. Let me write the highlighting points once again on the board. This is illustration number 9. And the partners' name were Asim, Nihar are the partners. Their capitals he was giving to us 3 lakh, 2 lakh. According to deed, Nihar is to get the salary 5,000 into 12. बेटा क्योंकि हमने स्टेटमेंट कल पढ़ ली थी, so I will be reading the lines and I will be directly passing the journal entries, right? And that day also I was telling you, you have to read the statement very carefully, as hereby he was writing per month, so I'm in multiplying it with 12, right? That's why I'm multiplying it with 12. Now come to the journal entries. 1st April they started the business. मेरे हिसाब से कैपिटल की एंट्री भी करनी चाहिए. So 1st April को, according to me, your book is skipping that, but I am passing that entry also. That was 1st April 2020. Okay, why he has not passed the entry for the capital? Let me clarify to you, because he in the question asked from us, pass the journal entries for the distribution of profit. Only distribution of profit की journal entries he is asking from us. So that's why he started the question with the profit transfer, right? अगर सारी एंट्री पूछता तो आप ये वाली एंट्री भी करते. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू Asim's capital to Nihar's capital 3 lakh, 2 lakh, and the total you will be writing 5 lakh. So as he has asked only the distribution of profit, and distribution of profit always gets started by transferring the net profit from P&L account to P&L appropriation account. So he is giving profit at the last, that is 2 lakh and 50,000. So let me pass the first entry, and it will be passed on 31st March 2021. Right. Pass the journal entry then. Profit and loss account debited to profit and loss appropriation account. So this entry we will be passing with 2 lakh and 50,000. Being net profit transferred from P&L account to P&L appropriation account. आगे चलते हैं, और उसके बाद सैलरी की कर सकते हैं. पहली एंट्री क्या बनेगी? निहार्स सैलरी अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू निहार्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. 2 एंट्रीज करेंगे. देन P&L appropriation account डेबिटेड टू निहार्स सैलरी. So let me pass that entry. पहले सैलरी को ड्यू करो, नरेशन होगी बीइंग सैलरी ड्यू. निहार्स on the same date, Nihar's salary account debited to Nihar's capital account, right? So that was 5,000 into 12, 60,000. Clear? Now next entry we will be transferring this salary to the P&L appropriation account. So let me use this only. क्या entry बनेगी? P&L appropriation account debited. This is P&L appropriation account debited to Nihar's salary. And that was 60,000. Right, so this is done. One appropriation we did. Next देखिए भाई, और क्या लिखा था? Yes, Asim is to get the commission 10% on profit after allowing salary and interest on capital. So let's pass the journal entry firstly of interest on capital, and that interest on capital he was talking is 3 lakh और 2 lakh के ऊपर 6% के हिसाब से देना है. So we will be giving 18,000 to Asim and 2,000 to Nihar. क्या एंट्री बनेगी? Interest on capital account debited to Asim's capital to Nihar's capital. Interest on capital account debited interest on capital account debited to Asim's capital to Nihar's capital. This is 18,000 and 12,000, and the grand total will be 30,000, right? transferring this interest on capital on the debit side of P&L appropriation account. Again, I will be using this. P&L appropriation account debited, being interest on capital due. Variation लिखना नहीं भूलेंगे. To interest on capital. That is 30,000. We transferred on the debit side of. Now the time has come when I will be calculating Asim's commission. Am I right? 10% of net profit. तो net profit में से एक तो 30,000 ये माइनस हो गया. 2,50,000 में से 30,000 ये माइनस हुआ. 220 रहा. 220 में से आपने कितनी 60,000 सैलरी माइनस करी थी, तो आपके पास 1,60,000 रहा. Am I right? 1,60,000. उससे पहले भी हमारे पास कुछ है. Yes, two types of loans were there, students. Two types of loans were there. One loan the partner gave to the firm, and another loan the partner took from the firm, right? तो 160 यहाँ तक हमारा बना. आगे देखते हैं. लोन भी है. Asim had given loan on 1st April. लोन की मैंने एंट्री नहीं करनी, लेकिन इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन की एंट्री जरूर होगी. और इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन I will be debiting and I will be crediting it to the loan account. Am I right? Has he passed the entry for interest on loan? No, interest on loan he just adjusted in your working notes. कमीशन की एंट्री करने के लिए जरा देखिए, प्रॉफिट को एडजस्ट करते हैं. लेट्स सी. आई हैव प्रॉफिट 2,50,000. इसमें से एक पार्टनर ने लोन दिया था 1 अक्टूबर को. नहीं, he has not given the date. I think 1 अप्रैल को दिया था. तो 8,000 ये माइनस होगा. 1 लाख का 8% और 11,000 क्या होगा, ऐड होगा, क्योंकि फर्म ने 11,000 चार्ज किया है और 8,000 हम लोगों ने उस पार्टनर को दिया है. 3,000 रेंट भी है. Yes, manager commission है. There is also a chart. So here my profit get adjusted. This is I call adjustment in profits. Because this and this was charge and this was income. ओवरऑल 11,000 ही माइनस हो रहा है और 11,000 ही ऐड हो रहा है, राइट? तो आपका 2,50,000 का 2,50,000 ही प्रॉफिट रहा. अब कैलकुलेट करो कमीशन. कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? सो 2,50,000 में से 60,000 सैलरी माइनस कर दो और 30,000 इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल माइनस कर दो. 90,000 यू विल डिडक्ट. ठीक है. 2,50,000 में से जब 90,000 माइनस करेंगे तो व्हाट इज बीइंग लेफ्ट ओवर? 2,50,000 माइनस 90,000. So we are being left with, देखो जरा, 2,50,000 आफ्टर सैलरी है और आफ्टर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल है. आफ्टर अलाउइंग सैलरी टू एंड इंटरेस्ट. सो दोनों का टोटल बनता है 90 बाई 0,000. दिस इज व्हाट 6 1,60,000. So 1,60,000 is the profit left with. इसका कितने परसेंट देना है हम लोगों ने उसे? That is what 10%. So 10% of this we will be giving him the commission. In your book he has calculated 19,000. So deduction में problem है क्या? Salary is 60, right? Interest on capital is also 30,000. Students, we were misreading the statement because he said 10% commission is to be calculated on the given profit after salary to Nihar. तो निहार की सैलरी 60,000 है भाई, और उसके बाद he put the line and he joined the next line by writing and interest on capital. It's not after interest on capital, right? So that's why he is right in his calculation. 1,90,000 का 10%, so that comes to us 19,000. अब इसकी जर्नल एंट्री भी करनी बनती है. दैट इज व्हाट कमीशन या whose commission? Asim's commission become debited to, yes, to outstanding commission we will write, or to commission due, or we will be writing this is Asim's commission to Asim's capital. Any appropriation any partner get उसकी capital में transfer रहता है. This is what 19,000. Then I will be transferring it to the debit side of P&L appropriation account. Then entry will be P&L appropriation account debited to Asim's capital. Sorry, to Asim's commission, right? So this will be the way. So about the posting of the transactions in your ledger account, we have already discussed yesterday, but even then for your convenience, I am just putting the entries on the debit side and I will be calculating the way how the profit is being calculated. This is your P&L appropriation account. By net profit bracket में adjusted word लिख दीजिए. Why adjusted? क्योंकि इसमें से आपने रेंट को एडजस्ट कर लिया, इसमें से आपने पार्टनर्स लोन के इंटरेस्ट को क्या कर लिया, एडजस्ट कर लिया. सो वी विल बी कॉलिंग इट बाय नेट प्रॉफिट ब्रॉट डाउन और बाय P&L अकाउंट, जिसमें नेट प्रॉफिट यू कैन राइट इन ब्रैकेट that remains same 2,50,000. So let's begin with Nihar's salary. To Nihar's salary, that was 60,000 by. Why this boy of +1 is entering right now? It's not his class. This is Nihar's salary 60,000. Then 2 in question capital. One was of Nihar, another was of Asim. Asim was getting 18,000 and Nihar was getting 12,000. Hereby you will be mentioning their name. Then we were having commission. Whose commission? Asim's commission. That was 19,000. So after deducting these figures, you will be having profit. You will be writing 2 net profit. Sorry, not net profit. 2 profit transfers to निहार और असीम का प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो क्या थी? 3/5, 2/5. उसमें उसे डिवाइड कर देना. यस, आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग दैट यू बिफोर रादर दैट यू विल बी लीविंग अ स्पेस टू पास वन जर्नल एंट्री, क्योंकि प्रॉफिट की कैलकुलेशन तो आपको अकाउंट ने बतानी थी. ठीक है, तो प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करके आपने इससे पहले एक एंट्री की स्पेस छोड़ी होगी, आप वो एंट्री करोगे और वो एंट्री क्या बनेगी स्टूडेंट्स? लेट मी राइट इट. प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू असीम्स कैपिटल to Nihar's capital. So profit comes to you, I think, to profit. That is coming to us 1,41,000. Let me see from your book. Yes, 1,41,000. ठीक है, जिसमें मैंने क्या करना है, यहाँ पे ऐसे लिखना है, ट्रांसफर टू Asim's capital and second one is Nihar's capital. So first one will get 3/5. Write down the share to tell the examiner, and second one will get 2/5. तो उनका जितना जितना आता है that you can see from your book. You will be passing the entry. Entry क्या बनी? Profit and loss. Let me write it for you. Profit and loss appropriation account debited to yes to our first partner is Asim's capital to Nihar's capital. So grand total is 1,41,000. जब मैं इसको 3/5 और 2/5 में डिवाइड करती हूँ, I am getting the amount 84,600 and 56,400, right? Being profit divided in the ratio of 3:2. Any doubt till now you may ask. Any doubt to anyone? Any confusion, any doubt about any calculation you may ask. Now we are going to pick the back exercise questions. So it's at page number 2.82. Back exercise question. Sita and Geeta are 2 partners. Let me write their name. Sita is to Geeta are 2 partners and their profit sharing ratio is 3:2, right? They had given loan to the firm. दोनों ने ही लोन दिया है. They had given loan to the firm of ₹30,000 in their, okay, very good. 30,000 लोन दिया है in their profit sharing ratio. मींस कुल मिला के and the total of the loan is 30,000 and I am not sure कि सीता ने कितना दिया, गीता ने कितना दिया. That they provided in their profit sharing ratio. Very good point he has introduced in this question. So this will be 18,000 and 12,000. देख लो टोटल आ गया में से. 18,000 सीता ने दिया है और 12,000 किसने दिया है? गीता ने. And the date of the loan is 1st October 2020. 6 महीने का इंटरेस्ट करेगा भाई. That the deed is silent about interest on loan. आप interest on loan कैलकुलेट करिए और ये अज्यूम करिए कि फर्म अकाउंट्स क्लोज करती है 31 मार्च को। सिर्फ कैलकुलेशन पूछी बेटे। चलिए जी, लेट्स सी। मैं जनरल एंट्रीज भी डिस्कस करूंगी आपके साथ। सो इंटरेस्ट ऑन सीताज लोन 18,000 इनटू कुछ नहीं कहा तो 6% इनटू 6 months 540. What about Geeta's loan? 12,000 into 6% into 6 by 12. 360. What will be the entry? Interest on loan account debited to Sita's loan to Geeta's loan. दोनों का टोटल करिए. That will come to us 900. तो सीता के लोन में डाल दीजिए 540, गीता के लोन में डाल दीजिए 360. Then interest on loan is a charge that is to be adjusted against profit. Net profit beforehand or before making any appropriation. So the next entry I will be passing, that is profit and loss account debited to interest on loan, because it is a charge. Being charged, it is always to be transferred to your profit and loss account, right? So next entry you will be passing profit and loss account debited to interest on loan. Though the entries he is not asking in this question, so it was quite simple, right? Done. Answer is matching. Come to 8th question from the back exercise. Read it, everyone. 8th question from your book. He has put forward 4 different cases, I think. There is some problem from your side, I think. Let me see. So let's continue with that. In that question, we have X and Y partners. X and Y are the partners, right? Their profit sharing ratio is 2:3. Their capitals are 2 lakh and 3 lakh, right? On 1st October, X and Y gave loans. He gave loans 80,000 and the second partner gave loan rupees 40,000. And the date of loan is familiar to you. जैसा पहला क्वेश्चन में था 1st October, 6 महीने का ही लगेगा. आपसे पूछा है distribution of profit. Okay. Show the distribution of profit or loss for the year ended in each of the following cases. पहले केस में ये पहले इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन निकाल के रखते हैं. इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन कुछ नहीं कहा तो 6% लगेगा. 80,000 का जब मैंने 6% निकाला, ऑरल कैलकुलेशन एंड द फास्ट कैलकुलेशन 4800, लेकिन मैंने 6 महीने का निकाला है 2400. इधर मैंने 40,000 में निकाला, इसी का हाफ हो जाएगा बिकॉज अमाउंट अपने आप में हाफ है. ऐसे माइंड अप्लाई किया करो अपना. 1200 बन रहा है. So interest on loan here is 3,600. He says given profit is 21,000. So what I should do? इस प्रॉफिट को मैं सीधा बांटना नहीं शुरू करूंगी. इस प्रॉफिट में से ये चार्ज पहले माइनस होगा. So 3,600 interest on loan I will be deducting. Hereby it is 420. 17,400 I will be dividing between my partners, right? So he has divided it. 17,400 को divide करो. आंसर दे रखा है इसमें 2 by 5 and 3 by 5 को डिवाइड करिए. Let me calculate it for you. 17,000 into 2 by 5. 5 पे जाएगा. 5 3s are right. 2 कैरी हुआ. 2 is remaining. Right. 24. फिर 4 पे जाएगा. Right. फिर 8 पे. Yes. So this will be 3480 into what 2. So let me see if हमारा multiply करके same आएगा. Yes, it is coming same. So first partner will get 6980 and the second partner will get 10,440. ठीक है. When you will be watching their grand total, that is 17,400 only, right? So this is the way how the profit is being divided in the first case. I have the profit more than interest on loan. So whatever is being left over, that I am dividing between my partner, Mr. X and Y, in their profit sharing ratio. Now, the whole scene will get changed when he himself is giving you the profit, that is 3,000. Profit 3,000 है और interest on loan को जब मैं add करती हूँ तो total 3,600 बन रहा है. This is given profit by. So I have to deduct interest on loan. Deduction वाली item चाहता है available profit से. So your answer is coming into negative. Once it is coming into negative in accountancy, we write it in small brackets and we call it loss. So this loss now I will be dividing between my partner in the ratio 2 by 5 and 3 by 5, right? So 5 से डिवाइड किया 2400 लॉस एंड 3600 लॉस is to be given to my partners. अगर कोई आपसे इसकी एंट्री पूछे तो एंट्री होगी X कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिटेड, Y कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. एप्रोप्रिएशन नहीं, क्योंकि ये लॉस प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में से ही ट्रांसफर हो गया. ठीक है जी, मैचिंग विद द बुक. So this is not 2400, this is 240 and 360 because the loss was 600 only, right? So 240 and 360. Next is also easy. We have profit but less profit. In this case, we have profit now 5,000. अब हमारे पास प्रॉफिट कितना है 5,000. 5,000 में से 3,600 माइनस करिए. So you are being left with 1,400. इस 1,400 को डिवाइड कर देना है इनके प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में. वेरी इजी once again. अगली बार अच्छा पॉइंट बनाया, हमारे पास हाई लॉस. लेट मी राइट इट हियर. ऑलरेडी लॉस है और इंटरेस्ट लोन भी तो माइनस होना है. इट मींस कि लॉस बढ़ जाएगा. नाउ द लॉस विल बी 5,000. So now that 5,000 is to be divided between X and Y, 2,000 and 3,000 to both of the partners, right? So in fourth case, 2,000 and 3,000 he's writing in your answers. Clear? Here also the entry, we will not, in the case of loss, you know, we are not opening P&L appropriation account. Loss directly we are transferring from P&L account to the partner's capital. Right? Here also the same entry I will be passing. X capital account debited, Y's capital account debited to P&L account, that is profit and loss account, right? So this was the way. See the ninth question, and afterwards I will be just winding up this class. I have the ninth question, bat and ball. Boys' favorite cricket articles. Right? So that should not be the name of the partners, but to create the fun and to break your monotony, he puts the name like that way. कभी वो नाम रखेगा right and wrong, ठीक है, कभी रखेगा Mr. Perfect, इस तरह से नाम रख देता है. So I have in the question bat is to ball. Two partners, their profit sharing ratio is 2:3. Their capitals are 1,20,000 first की है and 60,000 ball की capital है. Ball 1st October को bat and ball दोनों ने ही लोन दिया. इसने लोन दिया. I must remove 10. It is 1,20,000. So bat has given loan on 1st October. Date somewhere same ही रखना है. And he has given the loan 1,20,000. This is 20,000. Bat had allowed the firm to use. Bat ने rent भी लेना है. 5,000 monthly rent means पूरे साल का 60,000 होगा. लेकिन बदकिस्मती क्या है कि फर्म को प्रॉफिट हो ही नहीं रहा. फर्म को ऑलरेडी लॉस है और दोनों ही चार्जेस है भाई. सो लॉस विल गेट इन्फ्लेटेड. कहीं पे लिखा है कि डीड बनी है इंटरेस्ट को लेके, नहीं. सो आई विल बी कैलकुलेटिंग 2,40,000 into 6% into 6 by 12. So that is 7,200 students. जब मैं इसको करूंगी तो हाफ ही आएगा 3,600. ठीक है जी. Let's see. So यहाँ पे टोटल आ गया आपका दोनों चार्जेस का मिला के 10,800. Your profit was or loss was? Loss ही है 9,000. ये भी ऐड होगा 10,800. लॉस बढ़ जाएगा और एक रेंट है हमारा, वो भी क्या होगा, ऐड होगा. 79,800 will be your loss now. 79,800 will be the loss, and that loss he is dividing in this ratio. You will be having the answer 31,920 and 47,880. What entry you will be passing once again? Bat's capital account debited, Ball's capital account debited to profit and loss account. Till now, any doubt, any confusion to any one of you, you may ask. Any doubt, any confusion? So now mic is in your hand. You may text me, you may raise your hand, then I will be unmuting you to get your problem.